you, they do very good in the colony for us here. This section, we have all our green cheek sections. This is a pair of green cheeks. Normal green cheek conures. This is a yellow-sided green cheek conure on the perch in the back with a normal green cheek conure. Yellow, as you see, is on the sides of the chest area and a lot of little color in the neck area. This is called the yellow-sided green cheek. This is a pair of rose-breasted cockatoos, also called the Gallus cockatoo. These are very good producers, and they make very nice pets, and they get a lot of color to them. They get a lot of reddish tint to their chest all the way up to their neck area, and gray in the back, and their crest is kind of like a reddish color as it goes up. This is a pair of umbrella cockatoos. Very good producing birds. Cockatoos, the umbrellas produce a lot better than most other cockatoos. Very pretty, make very nice pets. This is a pair of blue-eyed Triton cockatoos. They get the yellow crest, a little larger than your medium sulfur crested cockatoo. And as you see, they have a blue ring around the eye. This is a pair of Citron crested cockatoos. These have the orange on the top of their head. And this is about the same. This is a full adult bird. They don't get, they get about the same size as lesser sulfur crested cockatoo, slightly bigger. And they have a big orange crest that comes out, as you can see. This is a pair of medium sulfur crested cockatoos. As you can see, they have a yellowish crest to their head. They're smaller than the Triton cockatoos that you saw earlier. Beautiful birds, make very nice pets. These are your Goffin cockatoos. They're one of the smallest cockatoo that there is. They usually breed February, March, April, sometimes into May, and then the season ends for them. They make super nice pets, very small. They have a little crest that comes up that's white, not like the umbrella cockatoos that have a white crest, but it comes up giant. This is just a little crest. As you can see on the top one, the male's got his crest up right now.